Good day, MM140, Maria Katrina B. Malawa, Arachi. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Maria Katrina Malawa Arachi. I'm 36 years old from Taytay, Rizal. And I'm finished Business Information Management 2 years course in college. I am married with 5 kids.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I have 2 years experience in working in Saudi Arabia from 2021 to 2023.
Please tell me about your work experience there.
I do cook and clean and ironing clothes and washing clothes and car washing.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
I will check his temperature. If he has a fever, I will inform my employer immediately.
Can you sing a nursery rhyme?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay. Please give any message to your future employer.
To my future employer, please choose me and trust me because I'm a hardworking person and I'm a loyal and I will do my very best to reach your expectation.
Thank you very much and have a nice day.